Welcome in the gold point. Something know about President of India. He is President of India. The Indian President is the head of the state. And you also know he is the first citizen of India and is a symbol of solidarity, unity and integrity of the nation. He is a part of Union Executive along with the Vice President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers and Attorney General of India. Now you know about how is President elected. No direct election for the President. An electoral college elect him. The electoral college responsible for president election comprises elected member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha legislative assemblies of the states. Legislative council have no role. Remember, legislative assemblies. Who is legislative assemblies of the state? He is elected by people, but legislative council representative have not elected by people. So MLA is member of legislative assembly and MLC is member of legislative council. Now, Legislative Assembly of the Union Territory of Delhi and Pondicherry also participate in president election. The value of vote and MLA is given value of the vote of MLA, total population of a state by total number of elected by member in the state legislative assembly into 1 by 1000. The value of vote of an MP, total value votes of all MLAs of all state, total number of elected member of parliament. People is not involved in electing the President of India, nominate member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, nominate member of State Legislative Assembly, member of Legislative Council, both elected and nominated in member of Legislative Council, both elected and nominated in the bicameral legislatures, nominated member of Union Territories of Delhi and Pondicherry. What is the term of the President's office? Once President is elected, he holds office for 5 years. He sits in office even after completion of 5 years, given no new election has taken place or no new president election has taken place or no new president has been elected till then. He can also be re-elected and there is no cap on his re-election. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like, comment and suggest. Thank you for watching.